Today is September 2nd, 2016, and we are taking Corby on a walk before we head out to Breckenridge to get married.
It's the morning of our wedding. Just took Corby out. Beautiful morning. Pretty excited. It's gonna be a fun day.
We're ready to go. Corby, you ready?
Okay, we're in the car. We're going to a wedding. It is 8:30 in the morning.
Hi.
Cheers. Cheers to the weekend.
Hi.
So much for coming. I hope you know how much it means. I know you all are family, but the fact that you all give up your weekends to spend with us is really, really meaningful to us. So thank you so much for being here, and there's nobody else who would rather spend this weekend with us.
Welcome everyone to Danielle and Matt's wedding. We're gathered here to celebrate one of life's greatest moments. By the state of Colorado, I now pronounce you husband and wife, and you may kiss the bride.
Good.
Like I said, I've always loved my daughter. I've never seen her happier than when she's with Matt. Just glad to be your father.
Oh, I love this song. This is a perfect choice, Dad.